guys, wanted to go over 5 tools that I think every car guy should own that are all under 30 bucks. So I hope you liked the video. If you have any tools that you think that all car guys should own under 30 bucks that I haven't gone over, go ahead and leave a comment in the description, and we'll probably go out and get them and see if we like them and share them on here. If you haven't already, please go ahead and like and subscribe to our channel. We're almost at 2,000 subscribers and want to keep growing. Appreciate all the support we've gotten and look forward to bringing you guys a bunch more. Alright, so the first tool that every car guy should own is a deburring tool. This works great when you're going and drilling into metal. As you can see, it's got this blade here that you put it through the hole once you've drilled through, and it'll get that excess metal that's on the back end of whatever you drilled through. These things work amazing. They're pretty easy to switch out. You just unclip this here, twist it, the blades pull out. When you get this kit from Amazon, I think this one was like 20 bucks. It comes with an additional carrying case, a whole bunch of extra blades. A great tool anytime you're drilling through anything with metal. Definitely use these. They're a lifesaver. Also work great if you're doing grommets on the back end of like a firewall. Definitely use that tool. Next tool that we have is actually from Dan Newman Race Cars. It is a metal bracket like this. It's what they call a bottle butler. Comes with individual pieces of these metal here. Kind of hard to see, but what these do is these fit in to this bracket. As you can see, they're pre-cut. Slide in all the way around. Now you can powder coat this, paint it, do whatever you like. You can weld these in if you want to permanently weld them in. But basically it gives you this bracket. You put it over your welding bottle and it can hold your electrical cords, your masks, pretty much anything and everything you want to hang on it. This right here was, I think, 25 bucks, give or take. So a great tool, easily sets right over any welding bottle and you'll love it. Alright, next tool is extremely helpful for anyone that's doing body work, trying to align doors, hoods, you name it, even if you just want to go out and adjust your car to try and get the gap right if you're not a body man. It's called the Gap It tool. It comes from StrangeMotion. So Tim Strange, you've probably seen him on a lot of car videos, Power Block, Power Nation, that sort of stuff. But it has all your different sizes here for your gaps. So from 1/8 all the way up to 5/16. It's a great tool. It's a nice heavy duty plastic that you can go and put in your door, line it up and make sure all your gaps are even across the entire car. This right here was about 30 bucks on StrangeMotion's website. Highly recommend it. Next tool we have, or finally the fourth tool, is from Trick Tools. So you guys have probably seen me use this in a lot of my videos. They have a Sharpie holder, or if you use the Milwaukee markers like I do, this holder holds them in. Very easy. It's got a magnetic base, so you can put it wherever you're working. And the way that it's designed is it holds the markers in place, so when you remove a marker, it keeps the cap, and then you just bring out just the marker. Then it goes right back in. You can see if you've got various color markers, which ones you want to grab. Makes it super easy. I'm always trying to find these when I'm not using this tool. Markers get lost everywhere, but this is a great, easy tool to use. It's 15 bucks on Trick Tools website plus shipping. Highly recommend it. The markers, you can get like a 2-pack for 2 or 3 bucks. I use the Milwaukee Inkzall markers. My buddy Shane told me about these. They're a lot better than Sharpie, I feel, finer point. So anytime you're doing any sort of marking, cutting, that sort of thing, I mean, these work on, you name it, rusty frames, already painted stuff. They work great. Alright, and the last tool that every car guy should have, highly recommend, like these Honeywell portable LED lights. These run off of USB. They're super bright. They've got a couple different settings. They are magnetic on the back, so you can see the magnets there that they attach to pretty much anything. It also has a fold-out stand, so you can put it at pretty much any angle you want. If you're working underneath a car, in an engine bay, you name it. Little button on the back. Try not to blind you guys, but they're very, very bright. A couple different settings. It does have an SOS if you want to throw these in the back of your truck. These work amazing. 2-pack of these from Sam's Club is where I got them. 20 bucks. Probably the best 20 bucks. If you ever need any lighting while working on your car, these are the ones to use. Alright guys, that's the first edition of our tool talk. If you do like this, please go ahead and leave a comment. Let us know what you think. Want to kind of show you guys some tools that are out there for the DIY guys that love working on cars but don't really want to break the bank, as you know, all of these are under 30 bucks. If there are tools that you think would be great to cover that you're using that are budget friendly tools, go ahead and let us know, and I'll check them out and maybe do them in a future video. Thanks again guys, and have a great day.